friends, welcome back to DevTrino. We have bought another walk and run app, and talking about this app is named as Threads. There are 4 levels. The first level will give you 5 coins, the second level will give you 10 coins, the third level will give you 15 coins, and the last level will give you around 22 coins. Now, talking about what is unique in this app is whatever level you are, you have to just walk 5000 steps. Yes, you have heard it right. You have to just walk 5000 steps and later redeem these for coins. Talking about one more feature this app has is power. If you click on power, you can walk for half of the steps that you are walking and collect the same number of coins. Let me show you the power. So you can see you can upgrade to power for 30 minutes and you can walk 2500 steps itself and collect those coins. So this is how you can use this power section. Moreover, they have a feature of daily bonus also. Well, talking about this daily bonus section, you can collect up to 4 to 8 coins. The maximum is 8, the minimum is 4. Based on your chance, you can get coins based on this range. The final way from which you can earn is through inviting your friends. If you invite your friends, you can get up to 5 coins in this app. Well, there is a limit of inviting friends up to 75 friends per month. And moreover, talking about how this weekly system works, let's see. So we have already said that 5000 steps is the maximum limit for the steps whichever level we are. Now, what is the level count? For example, in the first level, for 2 days, if you start walking, you'll start getting 5 coins. The third day you'll get a level upgrade and you'll reach 10 coins. So the previously earned coins will also become 10 coins. So whichever level you are, the previous coins will also come into the level which we are in currently. Now talking about the third level is when you walk 3 days consecutively. These 3 days are consecutively you have walked, so you'll be upgraded to level 3 where you'll start getting 15 coins. So as you have walked now 4 days continuously, you'll start getting you'll be upgraded to the last level, which is level 4, and for level 4 you'll be getting 22 coins. And moreover, these previous earned coins will also become 22 coins. So that is how this app step count and the level works. Well, this system is good because you have to be consistent in daily to get to the last level and earn coins. So it kind of motivates us. Moreover, the rewards also motivates us. Let's check out what are the rewards. So if you look at the redeem section, you have to first select store. Here you can see from 500 to 5000 there are various products available, like you can find bag, fitness band, Echo Dot. Moreover, if you look at the 5000 to 10,000 section, you can find bicycle, phone, iPad, and if you look at the 10,000 to 25,000, you can find iPhone available in this. So you can definitely try for big rewards in this. Moreover, you can check out the app. If you have liked the video, do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. See you until then. Thank you.